together is 21.
Point to the group with 5 dots. If Jessica ate three of these cookies, how many cookies would be left?
3.
If you took away 2 buttons, how many would be left?
4.
If you had 2 books and got 2 more, how many books would you have?
4.
Show me the clock that says 7 o'clock.
The middle.
Show me the clock that says 2 o'clock. If you had 3 cars and someone gave you 2 more, how many would you have altogether?
3.
If you had these balloons and someone gave you 2 more, how many balloons would you have?
Middle.
If you had these balloons and someone gave you 2 more, how many balloons would you have?
7. How old I?
There were 6 dishes on the dinner table. Chong placed 2 in the sink. How many dishes were still on the table?
4.
Listen, if you had $10 and you spent 5 of them, how many dollars would you have left?
How many dollars would I have? 8. What did you say?
Listen, if you had $10 and you spent 5 of them, how many dollars would you have left?
5.
Excuse me. Okay, next page. Point to 2 things you could buy if you had 50 cents.
The pencil and candy bar.
A candy bar costs 50 cents. How many quarters would you need to buy it?
2.
Oh, excuse me. When added together, how much money is this?
10 cents. You can trade it in for a dime.
The Gregg family, sorry, I'm going to sneeze. The Gregg family is having a cookout at the park. Mr. Gregg cooked 10 hot dogs. If the hot dogs are shared among 5 people, how many hot dogs will each person get?
2. Sorry, Mr. Murray.
You may use this paper and pencil if you need them. I'm going to ask you some questions and you may use the pen and pencil if you need them. There are 3 eggs in each of the 4 baskets. How many eggs are there in all?
12.
Right here. Jay's car holds 15 gallons of gas. Anna's car holds 10 gallons of gas. If and Ellen's car holds 20 gallons of gas. How many more gallons does Jay's car hold than Anna's car?
5. 5 more gallons.
While working on an art project, Dina takes one piece of paper and cuts it in half. Then she cuts each half, I'm going to start over. While working on an art project, Dina takes one piece of paper and cuts it in half. She then cuts each piece in half again. How many pieces of paper does she have now?
4.
At the snack bar, George can buy a sandwich and drink for $3.50. If George gave the cashier $4, how much change would he get?
50 cents.
Okay, next page.
50.
Again, I'm going to ask you some questions and you can use your paper and pencil if you need them. On his first try, Kim did 14 sit-ups. On his second try, he did 18. On his third try, the next day, he did 20. How many more sit-ups did he do on his third try than his first try?
6.
Carrie has 32 comic books. She read 18 of them. How many comic books does she have still left to read?
16.
The Roberts have 4 people in their family. For breakfast, they each eat 3 muffins. If the muffins come in packages of 6, how many packages do they need each morning? The Roberts have 4 people in their family.
Wait. Okay, yeah.
For a breakfast, they each eat 3 muffins. If muffins come in packages of 6, how many packages do they need each morning? Let's go to this one. Jamar can pedal a bicycle for 45 revolutions per minute. How many revolutions can he pedal in 2 minutes?
90.
Okay, next page. You're doing a good job.